I used to bad. And freely in front of my dad. And no.
It's not
like it's because you created a space so you are safe.
You are safe. And every time somebody started, they were like, who's the main thing? Because like I mean, Mina 365 I'm vacation. And they would be like, I should see out tell me is one hour.
Wait. Out here is one hour.
Yeah, because like a period as my paper bongangi forget the kiss. The minute ufika bebakshaya or the bebana lento lokuthi bamikunzi mama yakhoneni bebakshaya bayenza
like ubona nawe ozilesbian bazothi lezinto ebusuku zilala namadoda.
You see,
they are used to lawo ma lesbian now, so they think wonke umuntu ovela aso kubo so lala namadoda ebusuku.
They said, you know, I'd rather go date guys because I hardly doubt ukuthi umfana ungabe lo decide ukuthi no, you know what, ngiyolala noSbuda or another guy.
Sanibingelela abafethu, I'm back again. Umfana we-technology okhulumayo ngisakuma buza into bezinto benikhumbulile screening. Guess what, benikhumbule mu. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share and press that notification button so that every time we drop bafethu niyaz sifike kini kuqala.
Hi guys, this is your girl Lady Makaveli Shako Baskom, also known as the Good Princess with TikTok and all my social media platforms.
Away. Lady Makaveli is back, guys. Yeah, man, we're happy to have her.
And we're happy to have us.
It's good, David. It's good. Okay, guys. So I wanna know, I'm start poking Lady Makaveli a bit, just to get some sense, to get the thing. But exactly, you know, that criminal cherry on top. So man, like for us, like Pantsula, or somebody who move like that, like Shady Kisi, Mswenko, is sporty and whatnot. So if there's somebody who okay, what's your ideal date, or like, how can I put it, bro? I want to put it in such a way which is kubanjani to date a Pantsula, in fact. Like,
okay.
Yeah, what is it that is expected? Umuntu ma date ne Pantsula. Yes, legit.
I can't talk about that, guys. But I mean, I don't know how other Pantsula girls are. And the funniest part is when I compare myself to other Pantsula girls, I don't see myself in them because you get me? So being in family,
yeah, okay, let's talk about you. Okay, to date you as a Pantsula, like, what are the requirements? Or like, understand what are the things that you, when you say, you know what, I think you get me. Basically.
Plus, since like uhlukile from amantombazane noma ungafani namanye amaPantsula but like uhlukile uyiPantsula. Like kunjani?
I'm confused.
Okay, maybe that gives you an idea of dating maybe a Pantsula girl. I think a Pantsula girl okay, mina lesbian obviously ngidlala leya role so nginale yanto ukuthi once I date like iPantsula like uzokhipha lobugirl obukimi because uzwana nekezongifuna uzoshaya iflame la mangathi ngiyabheka manje ngiqinisele ivoice ukuthi manje khanya. So that's why I understand, like
I get that, but I think like big depend ukuthi I'm dating a Pantsula guy or a normal guy, but mostly I'm used to dating Pantsula guys now
because they get you.
Despite getting me, they don't get me. They don't.
Okay.
We are both women. I made an era whereby I'm like, I don't want to date Pantsula guys anymore. So I tried dating a normal guy, and every time somebody started dating, they were like, who's the main thing? Because like I mean, Ube, Farabachini, Mina, 365, I'm and they would be like, I shoot it out, tell me is one.
Wait. Out here is one now.
Yeah, because
like
in dress code, it means I'm the man. People feel like exactly.
Oh, okay.
Yes, when they're judging the relationship or whatever. Exactly. Yeah. So they be like, I shoot you way out. Like it got to a point whereby this other guys, like as I'm feeling, they were like, yo, I'm Chita, shooting me in the relationship, you know. And then that was the main reason why I stopped dating like normal guys. Because like, yo, but from and at some point I felt like because like and if you see the way she's less if she had to date me, I feel like I would be more muscular. Let me just put it that way. I won't say I'm bi. I won't say I'm bi, but I'm used to dating guys and girls at the same time.
Yeah, I think he's bi. That's being bi.
No, I'm not bi. Now I'm experimental. I don't have feelings for girls. That's the honest truth. No, I don't. I don't have feelings for girls.
Yeah.
But then no.
1 minute past 9.
The thing is that most girls approach me. And in Mabangona, they tend to think I'm a tomboy or I'm a lesbian. Like I get that a lot. You get me? I'm not my feelings on Antomazana. Maraguna la Antomazana in Wabona would tie this mode. And I don't mind feeling the rose for you get me. And then I'll get
what does it mean, man?
How? You should like any guy would grab this opportunity. Mina so fly why
okay, I don't see a reason.
You see, so I won't say I'm bi. Now I'm experimental, guys. I love experimenting. I told you, Gucci, and like I never told you this, ne? I made a point where by Sithole now, ne? I don't wanna date guys anymore. Ne? I wanna date girls for fun.
Yeah.
Like just
I still wanna experiment, guys. Nah, but I've dated guys and I felt like no man. I don't.
Are you investing too much that like boys don't give you what you give them, or like
they don't give me
like who approach
and whatnot is expected from
that. If we're talking about and all that. Well, now, like I don't even feel like I don't even feel like cherry. Or I still feel the way you Gucci or Gucci Mina Channel gets back to the out. Going up Namaji at Plymouth guys. So in that mentality there, I don't blame people that tell me Gucci shooting me out tell me is one. I'm at a point where by like no but like I ain't whatever he says in Ganapa. Like I'm full no guzwa no as long as go with Lisa. Like I just don't care. So I'm at a point where I feel like nah man, I do not belong here. I've dated guys and it was okay and all that, but I'm at a point where I get shocked. Because I feel like I ain't eating daughter at home.
So don't know what would see mind you are dating girls for fun.
Okay, since I said that maybe after this girl, but there's someone I'm dating and it tells of guys. I am serious about her.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. I am serious about her, guys. So that girl was my follower on TikTok and all that. Tala shape, I go my inbox wani. I'm telling you to I'm get the relationship I'm not going to so
name it.
I'm telling you I am here now.
And
I wanna focus on her. That's when I'm gonna start playing. That's that. Because when I'm an experiment.
Do you do like 50-50? I can see like you know maybe like approach
and whatnot is expected from
that. If we're talking about patch and all that, let it go both ways. Nah. Even if I do more, as long as you're doing something. I don't mind. Even my friends, when I have money, all of my friends will tell you I spend, even if it's my last money. Like I'm that person and all that devil. I don't want it to be 50-50, that's all. Now I love being the one doing everything.
Damn!
Yeah, the whole time, man. Nah. Hey guys, let me just say that. Maybe that's why some of my relationships don't work. Because I don't get intimate that much. You get me?
Okay.
Exactly.
Before see rap, in like meaning like you buy pantsula. Because some of us think who buy pantsula like it's
I'm so glad you got to this point. I am so glad we got to this point. Guys, right now I'd be crying. I just hope that I don't cry next time. I was on a live the last time.
On TikTok.
On TikTok.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
As I said that a lot of people watch my lives and all that. There was this other day, like I was just live on a random day, and then it happened. There was someone commenting Pantsula, I think, on the comment section, and Gwabani debate, So on that day, like I felt like I was the only Pantsula on my live. Most of it was normal people. Pantsula I figure after. I felt bullied and all that. Pantsula, the person came to my life and was like, I'm a Pantsula, and there was that. The topic went on. Joined a lot of people on my panel, and it was people that didn't like Pantsula. Because they were like, okay, go TikTok, wherever they watch videos, but there's Bantu. They're always trending for bad things. You get me? Why do they never see Pantsula doing good things? You get me? And I was like, they only see those things because Balandelela, video, they never give themselves time to watch like the good videos. Because a few months back, the Begune match Pantsula that happened in Orlando and all that, it did not trend enough. Kuze nabo bayenze beba create awareness and beba bonisa abantu ukuthi Pantsula
whatever
maybe
exactly.
So you guys know us for I see it
exactly.
Okay,
so it got to a point whereby this other girl was like, Mina, I don't care whether Aubambi imimese Aubamba bantu inkonzi izambane eliwane libulisa wonke. So I chased it because like Pantsula since grade 7, guys, I felt like Pantsula You so essentially in 2025. If I decided that I wanna grow up being a normal girl, ngabe sengithengisa umzimba or ngabe sengiphilele strategy, mhlambe kube ngibhema ama drugs and all that. So I'm gonna say Pantsula singenzela umuntu engiwuye today. And to me, Pantsula for it's before I even get there, Pantsula sisitholela. Now I'm already Pantsula bisla. So like during your times when you were growing up, Pantsula biscom.
Of course.
Exactly. Sinabo malume abakule Pantsula. And back in the days besides exactly.
There
are a lot of groups. Who's this guy or two?
And I'm sure school on
Surely. I even forgot the name. But in case I remember the name, wow, on the podcast and then Shuti Sengs or Kluma Nai. Like I said, Pantsula is truly Lana.
So it's a life in jail, like any.
To me and to most, Pantsula athatha Pantsula ngendlela yami. Pantsula umuntu ozithandela ukuclean, umuntu othanda umjayivo. Someone kitloreng. Umuntu one discipline. Let me just say that. On that live, I told those people the reason why they would say Izambaneliwane libulisa wonke is because they can't differentiate. You know, you can't judge or decide on something you don't even know about.
Okay.
The minute you understand ukuthi kunamavandali namapantsula, and then you can come and judge ukuthi amapantsula abantu abakanje nani. And I also said I do not judge them for ukuthi they saying all the bad stuff. Ne? Because vele ngekwazi ngesithi samabhujwa or sixoka ngokufana. Bese oyiwani wethu ubamba inkunzi and then lo omunye oright. Ngeke uthi hayi lo ulungile lo yini. Since sixoka ngokufana shuthi siyafana. But then growing up, there was this thing yokuthi abantu ababamba amaphanga and all that amavanda. You would even see them ngama groups wabo or the way they walk and all that. You get me?
But all of you guys we dress similar.
That's the problem. Sigqoka ngokufana. You get me?
Okay,
Sigqoka ngokufana. That's the only thing as far as enkingeni. Because if uzohlangana nomuntu ofake ikhavela akubamba inkunzi, so uzothatha ngathi bonke abantu abafika amakhavela bayenza kanje.
But Mina, I feel like maybe growing up people used to understand amapantsula, like bebakwazi ukuhlukanisa phakathi kwamavanda namapantsula. Hence uzothola umuntu omdala ozokutshela ukuthi ipantsula liyenzi lento. Ipantsula umuntu oclean, umuntu omdala will tell you ngepantsula. But no, abantwana bamanje they interpret ubupantsula ngendlela wrong. Umuntu akazibizi ngevandali. Ipantsula kodwa uzitshela ukuthi ipantsula bambikapero. Ukuthathela abantu itrafeli ukwenzani ukwenza. So mina I can't blame abantu because like abantu bamanje isimanje like there are only a few aba understand ipantsula like you.
But I doubt Sithole. I feel like the reason why it's like this day, back then when you were growing, there were hardly amavandals. Amapantsula when I was, they never did such things.
No.
Because like Nami right now, I'm a kid ne, mara mangezwa ito ukuthi amapantsula wakudala bebayenza izinto ezikanje nakanje nakanje. Ama youngsters wamanje they turning it into their own things, ne? And most abantu, it's either abantu ababuya endabeni zasema-orange farm and all that, and then when you get there you feel like since we are into neganje, should I have the right to do whatsoever? And there's nothing we can do. On that live someone asked Ubuti, why don't you guys talk to them? And I was like, why should we be the ones talking to them? What are we?
Because at the end of the day, all of us, it doesn't matter which we even another way. You go back to your mom's crib.
And we human. Ngeke ngithi ngimi nguleli makhaveli ngihambe ngiyolanda ivandali elimaza abantu ngiyomtshela ukuthi usimoshela iculture and all that. This is my life. I can't risk it. If they're not willing to talk to their kids, who am I? Uba nozongimamela because I'm a youngster. You know,
like ubona nawe lesbian bazothi lezinto ebusukuzilala namadoda.
You see,
they are used to lawo ma lesbian now, so they think wonke umuntu ovela aso kubo so lala namadoda ebusuku.
There are certain people aba-Israel ukumoshela abanye abantu izinto. You get me? There are good lesbians esazi ukuthi okay, growing up vele dala anje and all that. And then there's that one also claim ukuthi no, I am less, and then behind the scenes I hate it exactly.
Yini ehlukile kumuntu ovela shintsho maybe sekanomntwana or ana doing something ukuthi sekafuna ukuba yilo muntu awu.
No, you know when it comes to that, man.
But
I feel like you guys judge umuntu ovela.
But isn't because of like okay, I think this is me, ne? I think somehow, ne? Let's say you grow up. Unfortunately, in Sako, you know who you are.
Yeah.
It's like waffles. You guys know who you are. So kuna bantu deep inside, ne? You are confused. Like you are not feeling whatever that is happening. And mind you, if ever like it or not, if you zolala no fun, you're gonna get pregnant. But is it really you now? That's the question. So some people, I believe they discover themselves while it's too late. Now already like unumtana or already, because at the end of the day, inside you there's a womb. You see your monthly period and whatnot. So deep inside, whatever that you've been manufactured is like it's a lady inside.
Yeah.
But like, who are you as a person? What do you feel like more crazy when? You understand? I think people discover themselves too late. Because my society gonna tell you now, which no Tago, or maybe let's say Ekaya, they didn't accept like who you are. Now you've been pushed, which no, Ibana no fana, Ekaya Zana Yense, then boom, you are pregnant. But is it Nsako now? or maybe it's a peer pressure because you like her and they didn't take it. Exactly. Because you like her about Tatang.
So I get what you're saying, but it's not always the case. There are certain people that have feelings for guys, and then the minute that one person they trusted with their whole heart, aba betrayer, and then baba na the mentality of, you know what, that guy hurt me. And I just feel like, shuti abafana bazokalanga. How about I just decide uti I'ma date girls so that I don't get hurt or go through the very same thing.
And because
I have a friend, you get me? I had a friend, Mina Channel, she was lesbian. And I heard Uti, she had a kid. So now I couldn't understand Uti, you less, but you have a kid already. What was the cause? After that, she dated girls. And after all that, she went back to a guy and started dating guys in food. You get me? That's why I'm just saying, someone hurt me. You know? Like, I've dated girls to the point whereby now I'm confused. That's why I never want anyone to decide for me. I am by whatsoever. I don't want anyone. I just said I am experimenting. I've dated a girl. Growing up, I used to love girls. I trusted someone with all my heart. You don't trust umuntu ngenhlezwa yakho yonke. Mangithanda umuntu ngena ngamadolo nangekhanda nakho konke. And I loved someone with all my heart. And she was dating a guy. You get me? So I was like,
but when I didn't know,
I did not know. When I found out, I was like, I should see that claim to be dating girls. Do that. You get me? So what's the use of putting children in Tomazana as busy? No, you know. I'd rather go date guys. Because I hardly doubt Gucci, Fana, decide Gucci, no, you know what? Or another guy. It's highly rare. At times, but for girls, it's easy. You get me? I was watching this show, something like that.
Mama Kevin is cooking something like very interesting. So, like, how can you feel in Sako if ever umuntu wako cheat on you, then when you ask the girl, you're like, yo, bro, I'm going all out for you. Whatever that I'm trying. Like, then how would you feel if you can be answered like that?
Okay, since guys saying it, I think I'll be smart about it.
Exactly.
And then you can't force someone with agbone we learned on who's job between you. When if like this bag speeding in semester, I'm not expect to go to Makavel Marang Begos or one start.
Exactly.
Yeah, okay. So like for me now I would like accept even though Peranzo go or in but I would never
you invested your time.
I get before Rumuntu also to give me cheated because when I know like it's nature, I never satisfy a human being. Imagine never get even if it's a boy and a girl, a female or a male, I never. It's either uzoenza yonke into story but I be like kuyafana emini ubangekho the whole day there's something uyosebenzela yena uyifuna lo mali like umuntu uyohlala thola reason yokwenza into so
yazifana so when I got here when you were searching me on Facebook, you saw what I was Mojalove and all.
Hey, don't go there. Don't go there.
Excited.
Yo.
I just want to explain this.
We're coming to that.
I just want to explain this. Yeah. You were excited more than I was. Yeah. You know why?
Yeah.
I was on TV, it's okay. Yeah. To a lot of people, it's an achievement. Yeah. It is to me, but you know, like anyone could be on TV. You get me?
Damn.
No nyaope angadlula sishutana avele sishuthi ayinanga usithukuzindlobe ngamatracks. You get me? So I haven't gotten to a point where by ngashuthi yazi no yeah bekuse TV kwamampela and all that. I was on TV, I was happy. Or it's because like bengazi ukuthi that episode is out and all that. I was just surprised with messages were coming in. Twana Sigbone TV, when I meet people, we saw you on TV and all that.
Damn, that's
okay.
crazy.
I'm not just saying, ne, but I just feel like the reason why ne, there's most of the stabbing thing is bambing kunzi, bazabantu for ego, what's up and all that, you know. Because like there was this other time being Fage Istrachel, ne, and I met Omunyusi Soploma Klekas, and she was like, I ain't Sunday school or school game. Because you know, Guti Ungapunga Manchi Bakula Delison. It was also said
which kind of story?
But Istrachela is better. People have been getting killed for Amanavike. That's the most. In there's a kid that got stabbed. They school around Soweto Ganji. He's dope. You get me? So what I'm saying is,
so my friend Wambona Dunsan.
Yes.
Yeah, so my lady. So Istrachel is this is Merun blah. Nyam Kappa. I am Kappa must feel like what I freedom. Well, my imagine that is at Mina, it's Bazo Shella, Bazo Shellaban, then Ambana. We have Velo, we have Zalom Chita, shoots about divided in 2 years a move. Mega Zalom Chitalo, Ume to the what inside. Uti, time is to, sir. Don't guy so. Utunsan, you are called. See, Shasha. Chita was stoned. We fought with those guys. They were angazo record we bangal petanga or ganja because le got sin sit on tisana ngestock. Lo munye uzwathi keep you going. Yabo. Or record le khona or rebelling ngekho angazi but angazi sebenza uNkulunkulu lela lang otherwise umuntu akazobafazelwe istrachel.
You die for those hats.
Damn, bro.
You actually die for that story. I also have a story, ne? Was it last year? Early, I went to Epimville. I went to go visit me, Gabunganwami Umatandis. And you know what happened last year in Manavi? I had a lot of them. I had a black one, a pink one, and a blue one. You see? So I'm going to visit my friend Epimville. I think it's at Sundari. Nifage inavi ele pink, ele black, ele sepeki, in bath and all that. I'm passing that Sundari park and all that. Mangrula vele ngule abantu eparking bahlala amatais. Ne? Ngifaka ama earpods. Ngingena vele. I'm used to like ngijwayele ukuya lapha. So senze ngiyasho show nabantu bangijwayele ukuthi crazy, you know. And ebayazi ukuthi ayisenze ngidlula ezipantsula shuthi vele manyanga lapho nyaka bo Fistos or kabo Mathalis or kabo Chester because you are Pantsula adumile ngalapho. So when you're that side shuthi ufana safe kubo and vele because badumile and all that, you know. I shop okay. In the middle of the park, ne, I saw someone coming behind me. Maybe and then omunye bekangaphambili. Uzifasisa amashoelace. Me getting close, njengoba zifasisa amashoelace phezu kwestulo or whatsoever. Mangidlula wadonsa isipoti. Wahamba naso.
And when
you know, like I was like, you know what, it's fine, ne? Like I wanted to cry and I was like, Gunabante parking, I'm just gonna keep quiet. You get me? Because like the basa move away and then no one why a pamid gakulu, why my pamid was fast as my shoelace. You get me? Mang puma parking, Nyanga Tata is plague, is seping, na stroke. Because we're singing like from the park, the next street you get me? So man figure today unga very amjala it's hard but she did not believe me because being fage you know, and she was like, let's wait for my brother. Magabuya baby, so it's a plan. And I got my head back, ne? Because like we were figure immediately sign my dicing. Yeah, but mas figure my dicing the guys said Gutivede, okay, Magato to prove. And immediately she passed, they followed her and all that, you know. And then Bashuta, it's this person and when we went, it was a small kid.
Damn, bro.
I've seen a Pantsula. He's not even a Pantsula. I'm saying he shoots like a Pantsula or something. He was not. I did not even notice. Mang figure bazivanga describe ukuthi bekaqoke sona so. And then the guy was like, guys, ngiyeba zokuthathela isiqobo uze ngithi siya lapha. When we got there, uguy beseka change impahla. Yeah, basifika basikhombile kubo uyaphika uthi mina bengagqoka kanje until the mom came out and was like bekaqoke sona so. And then the guy was like, you know what, those was keep I struggle or whatsoever, man. You know, and I got my head back. So people die for those.
Damn, bro, people get the head for you for a head.
And I just felt like
the most popular person.
Exactly. And it's not that one only. Around Pire or whatsoever, let's we call. He died for the head. He died for the head. That's why in shooting mostly it's the navigators. Yes, it as much as Lucy sell suit on the Gutimasi suit, Utoga is Trachel, Belbulan. That's why any suit they no longer sell Ama Strachel. Because you die basically for
so like okay, they attack you, we see you are part of Ilona or just
no, despite that, I feel like Umon. It's jealousy. You get me? Umuntu usanokubona ukuthi hayi usithole yena ufaka amakhavela nanani. Wena shemus fakela ama flip swap nanani. When you punishing people for abazali bakho. If your parents failed you, they failed you. Ngeke uthi uhamba ulimaza abanye abantwana just because when you don't have anyone. They did not. I want to get to the point. I want to get to that point. So I feel like lo makwazana nanani. It's jealousy and envy. I would have a sugar that's why I Labantu laba shop abafuna ukusebenza bafuna ukuthi thina sibaphe mahala bafike bazosithathela inkonzo. That's how it is. They don't want to wait you get beaten up for your own thing. You might they beat you up, they do things to you. And then the thing is, the thing is, 250. Exactly. And it's not always about dramatic. I'm just gonna put it that way. The only trends about dramatic. You know why? Because veil. Most of the times
they've been painted.
Exactly. Already abantu sebanale mentality ukuthi hayi vele makagcoke kanje There was a time, was it early this year or whatsoever, after my incident walomntwana lo wakwazi esikolweni ephiri nasemapetla bongangeni ufake itikisi. The minute ufika bebakushaya or bebanalento lokuthi sozobamba inkunzi mama ekhoneni bebakushaya bayenzani. There was a period whereby abantu bebangangeni ngamatikisi lapho, you get me. No, they do deserve it, but they end up beating up nabantu aba innocent.
Wrong people.
Because of outfit eswagqokayo. Nami I feel like Sithole, I always say kuma TikTok and all that when I'm live and then someone says, but for the effect of ukuthi uyibantu, it means ukuthi you like them. We don't care. Angithi zambaneli one man they should wonke abodile. And I still say even if they take it that way, ngeke ngibuye kubantu. It's like akekho umuntu ozongingisa ukubantu ngizobeka mina ngangifuni. Lento ifana nokuthi ngeke earlier ushilo ukuthi ngeke ukhuze umntwana ohlule abazali bakhe and all that, you know. Sometimes it's not abazali guys. It maybe ngoba ngiso ayanda one ozongiconvince ukuthi ntwana so yabheda manje since mina no ayanda siphimpile one, but you understand. Sometimes abazali they have no or akazi nokuthi wenzani estradeni, or even if they know abantwana bamanje bayabahlula abazali babo. Exactly. Ngeke umenze next umntwana obamba umese Sithole ngeke uzosaba nokukhuluma naye. Sometimes abazali bayasikhuza ithe singafuna ukumamela. That's that. But the thing is mawufika estradeni abazali bangaphandle mabakubona bayoblame abazali bakho. Why abazali bakhe bangakhuzi? I'm gonna talk about this. There was this incident, I don't know she's or whatsoever. There's a guy was orange farm. He got bumped to bully or whatsoever. I don't know the story. He got killed next door. Labantu abamulalile and all that. Umphakathi and whatsoever. Wayophula amawindow and all that. They scared his family. Shuthi umndeni wakhe besokufela nezono zakhe.
So they banned the whole house?
No, they bebaphula amawindow and all that. And there was family inside, exactly. Yabo. And labantwana bayenza lezinto bayakhohlwa ukuthi akusibo kuphela banemindeni. As much as they're doing all this, they don't think about the next person. Ukuthi wena ezubutwa mayobamba inkunzi. What's gonna happen to me as your sister manghambe starting? Mawukwatisa abantu mabangakutholi, they definitely going to hurt me. Because exactly, that was that. Like Usiswake was so hurt Shabu, umntwana ngithi bekayenza whatsoever, bekayenza this thing. They got him, they killed him, but they still had the nerve yokuthi bazendlini bazophula izinto sihlala nabantwana somndeni senzani. You get
they also feel like abazali understand the pain ekhosweni.
Thing is people are too quick to judge other people.
Yeah.
People are too quick to judge other people. Baningi abazali abala ngaphandle ne. I'm gonna say this. Baningi abazali abala ngaphandle ne that feel like abantwana babo they so perfect because izinto abazenzi abazali. You get it? Only to find ukuthi abantwana babo exactly. Only to find ukuthi abantwana babo yibo abayenza izinto eziwese ukudlula laba abajajayo last time. You get me? That's how it is. Black people are too quick to judge the next person. Like there was this thing ukuthi small kids or abosisi bethu they getting raped because bafaka isiqephi. Indaba ayikho esiqephini. Indaba ikulabantu abangakwazi ukuzibamba. We kids, Sithole ne? We kids. My mom once told me this. There was this other lady wasekasa mumama and like ne, she's too judgmental. Makabona abantu bafake iqephu uzosho ukuthi bese amadoda wenu bawasrepa ingakho nirejwa ingakho ini. It's not the clothes. If bekungamelanga sigcoke iqephu ezifuna neshop.
Super.
Tell me that.
Damn.
It's about who's partner now.
Exactly.
I'm gonna say maybe into the Mina until Baba Maza showing his story. Mina used to bad and freely in front of my dad. And I no.
It's not
like it's because you created a space so you are safe.
You are safe, but there are people that can't even pass Pangabo put Babo or Abu Baba Bab. Now Sithole, Nami, I'd say until my dad passed. Ne? Me and my dad were so close. To the point whereby every day my school in Baba Begim that was my dad.
And it's the way you could sing.
Exactly. Not even once he ever made me feel like I am not safe or whatsoever. But coming to this Pantsula thingy and Amavandal and all that, people are too quick to judge because they can't even differentiate. And I am saying, you don't have the right to judge something you don't even understand. The minute was with Namavandali, it's okay. And you get me? So if you guys are seeing Ama videos, Ama being Ama Pantsula, it's because you guys are following the bad ones. Because there are kids like me that go to matches, that go on lives and all that. Bazam Gunbulisuti, Ama Pantsula, Arrange. As much as you said, I go on my lives every day. Nentwana Uyabs, I don't know if you know him.
Yeah, I know.
Uyabs, you know him. Intwana I am blind. He got stabbed on an event that I was supposed to go. I was also one of the special guests, but I never went because Unganwami Utike was like, Twana, don't go there. You know Utama event wakude apela ganjani ulando umngani wakhe athi masambe siye eventini umngani ubuye arise yena ubuye akhwazile bamthethela nempahla they even stabbed him, they even took his phone. The next day I was on a live sharp
bro, like
abantu bayabazi labantu abazenzile lezinto ne, but they don't approach them because they're scared of them ne. Mara abantu social media will be like abangani benu why ningabakhuzi. It's coming to the point ukuthi sibakhuza kanjani sibasaba ngokwethu. You get me? Sibakhuza kanjani sibasaba ngokwethu.
Mara yazi
bro,
it's human nature. Like ungayenza into enhle they will fucking hear. But once you mess up guy one,
they gonna stick to that exactly.
Like bazoshuthi ay lo kwaza abantu or lo owenza because abantu bathanda like the bad news of umuntu bathanda ukuwa komuntu more than yonke into ayenza.
Bro, you're always on live and
every day.
Please
please follow me
on TikTok.
Lady Makapabili, and coming to that, there's this cow Diama 50. You guys know it, man.
15 years.
15 years ago, man. Guys, I am a 50 queen.
I'm thinking today.
I am a 50 queen, ne? But this
What
year,
does it mean to you
I'm gonna come to that part.
Okay.
This year, I got to learn Uguti. There's two 50s. Kuna 50 was ama Saraza, and then there's a 50 niggas aboyiti labane. Give me if 50 originates a Freedom Park. Ama 50 awala Efredos. Abo mshini, abo professor, and all that.
Okay.
Guze if 50 you figure so it wise as my friends. Ne? My friend that we buried last year, my closest friend. Ne?
The rest were
He was an FD. Basically FD so get like it's insurance on.
FD.
He fuck off dogs, they sing scheme trouble. They must trouble the one that's on a wheelchair right now.
Oh yeah.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Exactly.
He was stabbed.
He was stabbed. He was stabbed. Sure, he was trending and all that. You see. So I'm saying Uguti 50 Idwalene is because of Umahlens. At a later stage he joined Ama 50. Ne? And then abantwana uyazi ukuthi mawumuntu omdala abantu abantwana bathanda isitayela sakho they gonna be under you or bazo hayi sibanibani ngithakho as my inspiration waka bazohlezi babloma nawe and all that, and since we 50 shooting nathi si 50 because we following you get me
because we have a group
exactly. So I got to learn ukuthi there's two 50s ne? And I'm going to say I'm a 50 that I am part of ne? Growing up, some of them were people that used to fight. Ne?
Right.
They used to fight.
Every now and then.
Singabantu ne.
Or magune like igigi or something.
We people. Amaputa ayenzwa abantu. We human. We gotta make mistakes. Angekho umuntu perfect.
Of course.
Growing up, they used to fight. They used to do whatever. Until they got to a point whereby they decided good we've grown. And some of them have kids. Abanye they working. Abanye they buying cars and doing all that. Ne? This year I am so proud to say most of they doing good things. Ne? Bese kuba namasakaza, ne? From Orange Farm and all that. We know Orange Farm, guys. Every week people are dying. Most of our Masaraza are in Sun City. I'm going to talk about this. Ne?
Okay.
The saddest thing about abantu abadala, they do not care. As long as Guno 50, shuti sonke, sigolile.
Yeah.
We did not know ukuthi bekuna Masaraza. I am saying the 50 that I am in, back then when we were growing, beku abantwana mabasukelwa bazwela. If you guys are following Otrabo Lukia Bezu in Kaliana, he's been on a few podcasts. He was once a school kid who did not know Mama Kaperi and all that. He got bullied once and he decided Gutiazin Muzotenga Ikaperi or Muzotel Ikaperi so that I can protect myself.
Yeah.
You get me? The day when time went by, ne? And all that, he decided to fight for himself. The minute Azrela were my enemies. The reason why he's like this is because of the fights that he created with other people. He talks about it in my podcast. You get
okay,
me?
so
what decided, you know what,
so
I'm not going to
until
exactly until he decided which I am going to fight for myself.
Damn.
And then he hosted an event, I don't know, it was last year or last year, a few years back. He hosted an event and they ambushed him and they stabbed him. He was in ICU and all that. He talks about his story.
okay.
Yeah? So
This thing it runs deep,
exactly. So
I never know that, bro. Like you see, even now, like you see how I'm taking it. Yeah.
Why Mele? Cause bega bulishwa ne. I'm not gonna talk about him, but like Pantsula lizo bulisha. Because maybe nalo bel bulisha. That's why they tell out to go to the
you know,
why would you make omunye umuntu afile lento ubuyifila? Whereas you know the pain. You used to face.
You know what's sad, man. I've said this about being in a relationship. Ne? So le kuyayenza ukuthi botshola no Palesa. UPalesa wakugila, wakhetha. Now you dating me. So uzohetha mina ngoba usawathemba amantombazane uPalesa ugile. Not knowing ukuthi I had pure intentions. Some people don't care who hurt me.
Yeah.
That's why sometimes on my lives I say it's not a good thing ukuthi nipunish abanye abantwana for izinto abangazenzanga. Why don't you go back to your ex at least tell love back bese umzwise lento le akuzwise yona.
Nakhona like I think to answer what you're saying about like exes and lovers and stuff, people move on before they heal first. I think that's why it's the cost of yes, because remember when usasana in prom. Well, I'm sorry, you've been pushing for 4 years, no muntu wako. All of a sudden when ujampile manje unospan band.
Exactly. But it's
I'm telling that.
So
that's not possible.
Don't care, man. Some people don't care. Omunye umuntu sana like mele ngihilele. Why mele like impilo yami ime ngoba nangu uThepho ungihethile uThepho. Sometimes you just tell yourself no, I'm ready to be in another relationship and it's not even the truth. When you just don't want to be depressed that long and all that.
You just need somebody to
so vele kula umapantsula ntwana umuntu and you can never do anything to him. There's certain into ngisho ukuthi I've said it once in podcast if I'm not mistaken. If uhlala ejardini whereby ubaba uabuse umama as umntwana you adapt to that. Mawubona ubaba kuahleza yenza lento unalento ukuthi into yenziwa umuntu omdala shuthi iright shuthi ubaba makahleza ashaya umama nami mangashaya girlfriend yami shuthi ngiyayithanda or it's right, you get me? No. That's that. So most yabo babone kubo labantu laba abadala. I always say this, most yabanye yalabantu abagcoka njengathi ne ngaze ngisho ukuthi omunye uyashuthi hayi growing up umahlenza bekashaya abantu growing up abothabo bebadume ngezinto ezikanje.
And
the serious part is labantu laba abafuna ukuba khopha they go every day kuma podcast telling them guys it's not a life.
This is not a way.
These are the after effects or consequences of what I did and I wouldn't want another person to do this
to end up where I am.
Exactly.
People want to learn the hard way.
Exactly. People don't want to listen.
That's the problem again.
People do not want to listen. You see, going to that 50 partner, as I said, there's 250s. Nami being us, ne? The 50, okay, that I am in that home, ne? So the reason I went to the 50 partner is because abantu bayenza ama-friend, ne? We're doing friends, guys, and we're sitting there, and we don't get to decide ukuthi ubani othengayo and whatsoever.
Oh, okay, I see.
Exactly.
I see where you're going. Yeah.
So there's a 50 brand that's being sold. I think Namasaraza and ne? I think they have as much as the GP Gangster brand, the one I love. People tend to support ama business wabantu. They buy those clothes by Okananazo. What I said about abantu abadala in the community is being quick to judge. Once wafika wabamba inkunzi ufake product of the ghetto or ugqoke i-GP Gangster or ugqoke i-50, they tend to be like ama-50 ayenza kanje abantu abafaka exactly uRev Dumza umosha abantwana bethu bathengisela ibrand bazosibamba inkunzi. You get me? And it's not even the case. Siyaphanda singabantu ngeke sonke siyosebenza ema-ofisini. You get me? Abanye abantu baphiliswa ama-brand wabo ngeke uthi awuyifuni imali makuzothenga usibuda wasekasi lakho. You know what you have to feed your family, but you can't take what's this responsibility for my actions azowayenza agqoke ibrand yakho. You get me? The reason I'm even getting to that part is because we're buying this brand and abantu mabasibona sibagqokile they feel like usibanibani shuthi uyomosha abantwana bethu because bagqoka le brand yakhe and all that, and it's not even them. They selling their brands. You just decide ukuthi siyaganga ngaso. And I feel like this 50 thing. Exactly.
Let's say Sunlight yakubona yakuthanda. Sunlight expands. But once a one bad move, Sunlight
she pull out.
Exactly.
Because it's a bad name for. So unfortunately, angeki product it's so shift away because already
so this guy who's this office worker has a PFL brand, we are because of this thing.
Oh, because of this thing.
Exactly. So we are and all that, but we can't all do that. Because at the end of the day, you're going to lose money. Because when you're kids, what if you don't even know that person you're selling to? So some thing said,
they were wearing a certain brand, and the brand are continuing to cartoons.
You can.
And a very mindset.
So just because you want to a certain brand and all that does not mean good that brand you know 50s used to do whatever I'm still saying this. They grow up bakulile balwa bakwazana and all that, and they had reasons. Now bangathi unasiphi isizathu for doing whatever. Into wrong. You get it? And most of them, they're not good. Now I'm gonna say that. They're not good.
Like mina ngikhule ngifunda nama 50 like bengwazi ukuthi kuyi scheme like mina idea enginayo mangibona 50 i-15 dekwaza nayo and once wasukela 1 sekushubile for impilo yakho. It's because ngikhule kunama 50 esikoleni and lama 50 bengifunda nawo bekwama 50 la ukuthi manje ngebreak siseklasini yaku so you understand nginaleyo ngqondo even for 50 quid.
It's what I was saying. You know, if you're a person and we any mistake yazwa abantu abaningi abantu bayohlala bakujaja ngaleyo mistake. They even forgetting about all the good deeds you did after and all that. You get me? I have a friend that died because of amakhaches a few years ago. He fought with someone, he was changed as nagegela bantwana bakhe. But the person didn't heal. Uguchi did this to me and I'm still going to find you. And he found him la sekalunge khona. Niyazenza izinto today ungangikwaza ngiyeke uzitshela ukuthi hayi lady makaveli slim ngiyekabuye. Kanti mina I am still planning my revenge. When I saw tell you changed. Now when I saw tell uchenchile awusafuna ukula awusakwazani I come mina ngizola ngisho ukuthi you remember you did this. And you get
I think guys today has been educational
episode.
Yo, Makaveli.
Wait, before you end it.
Yeah, okay.
Before you end it first.
Okay.
Before you end it.
Yeah.
Before you end it. Mina ngikuthi ngisukela nathi ngifuna ngikhulume. I said,
it's a good thing Pantsula is educating our viewers out there.
Nisha, I'm educated right now.
That's why
I am talking like this because now you see guys, there was a time where I felt like being more Jesus, the biggest pamba man.
Yeah,
as much as I told you guys,
like
I almost
crucified for this day.
Good live, where people were talking about their honest feelings. As much as I was hurt, I told them right to opinion. And I am glad they feel however or whatsoever, like I do not care. But what hurts is mangiba live bazokhuluma ngamaPantsula elivini yami bakhuleka ukukhuluma ngawo kubo labo bantu
advice from Lady Makaveli. Even if employee, especially if you are putting yourself out there, find a public figure. Like out of these 5, maybe 3. Izo zambu begela pants. But you should know isn't there's corner. Even if kusasa ungaba live kusho omunye futhi o different oqala nokujoina akaza bakupage lapho. So lezo zinto lezo izinto ozozithola along the way, especially if you want to be big in this like social media platform. Izinto yohlale and then learn not to respond kuzo zonke izinto ezinegative. Even thina shoot the podcast, it's a pity ukuthi you never get like negative comments. But what if you go big, guys? People who are just unomuntu ozothi lesepantsula sikhuluma amasini.
Of course, yeah.
So you learn not to respond sometimes. Let people think whatever, because you want everything like in South Africa. Angeke ufundise wonke umuntu ukuthi ayiview kanjani ipantsula. Sometimes learn not to respond.
Can I say this?
Of course.
Can I say this?
Of course.
Ne? To all Amapantsula that are out there, to all Ama Vandals, I'm not a fan of Ama Vandals, but I've experienced losing people that I love.
Yeah.
Ne? Like Maushona, you're not hurting Abangan Bako, Pem. You're hurting your family, you're hurting the people that were looking up to you, you're hurting the community. You get me? Ubutleva, Abupatan. Let me just say that. I say this every day on my life. Uguti Aiquitleva is a sunset. They can lie to you all guys. Aiquitleva is a sunset. Smaze sitamatleva yit. Lava ilima. It helps sometimes by slima together, you just let them be. You get me? Nklezi ngishuti inyembezi zepari ziamneta utleva. You get me? Exactly.
So and then sometimes but you don't have to learn from my experience. And
the saddest part is there are people that are a living proof years into Eziganj. Take Abo Matlinza, Abo Trouble as all that. You guys are so lucky you have people like Gabetun Traliani that talks about his experience. He's on a wheelchair, and I still say Uguti, after coming back from hospital, surely he had Lento Uguti, I don't want to live anymore because Singhama in wheelchair. I used to dance, I used to do whatsoever.
And I'm glad he's big now.
Exactly.
Yeah, very big.
Exactly. He's so famous. He is so famous. And Mood Money, guys, can you please support him? I want to say this. That has been one person that I've been looking up to. He has been my friend for a lot of years. But just because of certain things. He has done wrong things, not because he wanted to. And I am so proud because he learned from Lezo Zindo bigger sense. And I am so glad Uguti nanoma guplumu nanoma hamba nge-wheelchair. He still wakes up every day, I motivate abantwana and you guys. So you guys should be looking up to him. You guys should be looking up to him. He lived that life and he's a living proof Uguti isn't as ganges
Don't forget to like, subscribe and press that notification bell so that every time we drop, and please listen to Umakabel Bafetu because the episode is educational. Peace be out.
Before Sivala Bafet, where if they Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day, guys. We are out.